Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we add an annotation in any of the chart patterns we want to in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. For adding an annotation, we'll go to the charts component in the widget panel. And there we'll be selecting the pattern that we want to, like here I'll be selecting the column, and in the data set I'll be selecting sales.cds here. Category axis I'll be selecting country. Value column I'll be selecting extended price, aggregation, sum, and save and exit. And you'll see that we have created a chart in the dashboard. Now I'll be showing you how can we add an annotation in this chart. Now here on the top right hand side in the widget menu we have annotation. I'll click on the annotation and I can draw whatever I want to on any of these bars in the chart. Like say for example I want to draw something on the bar in the France. So I can draw like this. Now if I want to add a text, I can click on this text option and can just drag it over here above France, and I can write sales in France was good. So this is how we can add a text. Then we can also add an image. Now we have various options over here for images. You can select any image out of the various options available. You can select from the various symbols also. Like say for example, I can select comment captions, and you also have an upload option over here. If you click on upload, you'll be able to drag and drop and upload a file from your system to the dashboard, and you can add it over here in the chart. So here I'll be adding one comment and click on add. So you'll see that the comment has come over here. Now if you want, you can also resize this comment. Since this symbol looks very big, you can just make it small. You can just resize it as per your own convenience. You can drag it over here at the right position. So this is how we can add a symbol, text, and draw something over the bar. Then we have the download option. Now you can download this chart in any of the format you want to. You can download it in JPEG, SVG, PDF. Like here I'll be downloading it in PNG. You'll see that we have downloaded it in PNG format. Now if I want to share this chart, this report with a user through an email, so I'll click on the email option over here on the top right hand side, and I'll simply drag and drop this report here, and you'll see that it has come in the same way as it was made over here in the dashboard. And then you can enter the email ID of the user with whom you would like to share this report, and you can also add a CC or a BCC just the way you do in an email. And you can also mention the subject like France sales, and you can click on send, and that way you'll be able to send this report to that user. And you also have an option of attach. So this works exactly like your email. You can also attach a report over here. You also have an option of instant messaging. If you want to send this report to someone through an instant message, you can click on the instant message option. You can drag and drop same way as we did in the email, and you can select a particular user. You can give it a particular subject like France sales and click on send, and that way you'll see that you are able to share it with the user through instant messages. Now in the download option, we also have export data. Now if I go to export data and click on full data, I'll be able to see the underlining data. Now I have downloaded the full data. If you want, you can also view it like this. So this is like complete the full data. Or if you want, you can also see the aggregated data. You can click it. And you'll be able to see the aggregated data like this. So this is the underlying data. If you wish to view it, you can also view it. And then we have a reset option over here. If you want, you can just click on the reset. You will see the changes that you made are not there, and the chart has come to its original form. So this is how we can add an annotation in a chart. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, you can write us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.